Ikea released so many new products for 2024. We covered some of them in the last video, but I've missed some of the best ones. So today we are doing a part 2. I'm on, this is Mars. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. It really helps our channel so much and it helps you to never miss another video again. Now let's go! We are starting right off with the first product, and that is this gorgeous side table. This is such a smart product for your living room. It has a distinctive architectural shape and practical storage spaces designed to snug along the length of your sofa's armrest. This side table will act like the perfect space to add your speaker and display books or home decor. It comes in 2 wood colors, light and dark. Another new product from that same series is this coffee table. Similar in design to the side table, this coffee table gives you easily accessible open storage space to organize and display your items. Smart, budget, and functional. This coat hanger is another new product at Ikea for 2024. This sturdy hanger in dark stained bamboo is ideal for outwear, shirts and blazers. It's a part of the RÅGODLING series where you can find matching cloth covers too. This year, Ikea gave a new look to their famous Lazy Susan, so they released 2 different turntables for 2024 and I love both of them. The first one is made out of bamboo with raised metal edges. This is so smart since it will make sure to keep your things in place when you spin it, plus it makes it easier to move it from place to place since you can just grab it by the handles. The second one is a bit more pricey, but just look at this beautiful design. This one's made of a Sia veneer with a natural wood pattern and a metal frame, which makes it easy to spin and adds a stylish and modern expression. Ikea released a new spice jar collection this year, and there are a few different spice jar sizes that can be bought separately and in packs. All of these look so simple and so practical, and I honestly can't wait to see them in stores. A dining chair that's new at Ikea this season is the GENESÖN Chair. This metal chair comes in 2 vibrant and shiny colors, blue and red, and I love both of them. This neat chair made of durable, easy care metal is a real eye-catcher that will add a splash of color at the dining table. Plus, it comes at a great price for only $35. A new outdoor chair I really love is the gorgeous TVARÖ chair. This lounge chair is made of hand-woven rattan by skilled craftspeople, which makes each chair unique. You can combine the modular sections to create a comfy seating outdoors or indoors, wherever you prefer. I could totally see this indoors, styled even in a modern home. There are so many new cushion covers at Ikea for 2024. We covered some of them in the last video. However, today I've picked 2 more that are really something special. This first one is made in this simple corduroy fabric that creates a relaxed look that will fit with any style. This cushion cover comes in 4 different colors, all in a neutral palette, and I love all of them. Also, this next one in a more laid-back linen-y vibe. This one also comes in 4 different colors and is made of this super soft cotton fabric that creates a crinkle effect with fringe edges, which looks so organic and nice. There are a few well-known IKEA furniture pieces that got a new life in 2024. And one of those is the famous Billy bookcase, which now comes in this gorgeous blue color. I love this two-tone effect so much, it really gives the Billy bookcase a new dimension. However, this one is a limited edition, so if you really vibe with it, you would like to hurry up to get it in stores. Also, the IVAR cabinet, which now comes in a quote-unquote Kallax version, and I'm all for it. Not only IVAR is so much sleeker than the Kallax, but it is also made out of solid wood, so you can paint it whatever color you like in the future. Loving it, and kudos to IKEA for always hearing what we want. There are so many new rugs at IKEA for 2024, and here are my top 3. First, this earthy tone geometric pattern rug that brings warmth and personality to the interior. This one comes at $99.99 and has 2 sides, which is absolutely genius. The next one, and probably my favorite one, is this beautiful handmade rug in warm wool. This one has the most unique pattern, where some of the squares have a slightly higher pile, giving this flat woven rug a playful look. It comes in 2 colors and they both look gorgeous. And another one from that same collection in colorful geometric shapes and long fringes, creating a dynamic pattern that catches the eye. And again, woven by hand in durable wool that not only looks good but also feels warm and comfortable under your feet. IKEA released so many new products for the plant lovers this year that I feel they need a video on their own, but here's a few that really caught my eye. First, these cute plant pots. They come in a set of 2 in 3 different colors. These plant pots look so cute and will really add some interest and pop of color to your plants. Also, this gorgeous plant stand I absolutely love. This plant stand is made of bamboo and will give your plants another dimension. Loving it. Also, this one that's a lot higher and looks almost like a pedestal. This one comes at $29.99. Now, what I loved most from the new IKEA plant products are these cute self-watering inserts. These look so cool, plus they're perfect for people like me who always forget to water the plants. I'm getting these and my plants will thrive. A new IKEA lamp that really caught my eye is this simple battery-operated LED table lamp. And even though this one is made for outdoor use, I could totally see it indoors too. And the last IKEA product I have for you is actually a product that's not new at IKEA, but somehow I'm seeing it for the first time, so I had to share it. It's this gorgeous table lamp. You can use this one as a table lamp or as a wall lamp, which I love so much. Diffused lights like this will make your home that much more cozy, so make sure to check this one out on your next trip to IKEA. And that wraps it up for today. Which new IKEA product was your favorite? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you haven't already, make sure to check out part 1 of this video to see even more amazing new IKEA products. I also posted a kitchen makeover video last week. You can check it out on my channel and I'll leave a link into a description box. Sadly, creative videos like this don't perform that well on my channel, so I wanted to encourage you to go ahead and check it out and see the amazing transformation I did, plus some easy IKEA hacks. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to show me some love by subscribing and liking the video. And as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye! Mars, will you wake up to say bye? Hey, mister. Oh my god. Oh my god, you're sleeping like a baby. Oh, the sleepiest boy who needs a manicure. You will get one. You will not be happy about it, but you will get one. Okay, I'm leaving you to sleep. Bye, guys.